Hey there, I'm Sarge, the official mascot of Shy Beaver Boat Center. For 40 years, my people have been making waves and helping families fetch their dream boats. And now you can fetch $4,000 off any new boat, including sleek, speedy crown lines. Or kick back on an Avalon pontoon, perfect for the whole pack. Or cruise in style with a Hanover yacht. Fancy, huh? I've watched pups grow into captains, and every boat comes with years of lake-loving memories. Let's go make some waves. Summer starts here at Shy Beaver Boat Center.